The giant river otter is a formidable creature that commands respect and dominance in the waterways of South America. This carnivorous mammal is the longest member of the weasel family, measuring up to 6 feet in length and weighing up to 70 pounds. Unlike other otters, they are highly sociable animals, with family groups typically 3 to 8 members. They cooperate and work together to defend their territory, launching attacks on anything that enters, including humans. While they primarily feed on fish, these otters have also been known to prey on larger animals, such as caimans and anacondas. Using their amazing skills and agility, they strike at the vulnerable spots, exhaust and pierce through their prey's tough skin with sharp teeth. This adaptability in their predatory behavior further underscores their prowess, establishing their dominance in the diverse and challenging environment they call home.